Hello fellow 3D metal model builders. Had a crazy idea some time back. If you don't know me, my name is Brad. I run the YouTube channel Animate Orange, where I build and review a lot of 3D metal models and show you how I do it. And I had this idea a while back, and I've talked with a couple of friends, Code Wookie, Disorderly Cone, friend on Instagram, Trish, about this idea to kind of put together a demo. Here's the idea. I've seen several videos out there, like compilation type videos. I think they're mostly from TikTok, but not always, where it's like a pass the brush challenge or a pass this challenge. And I've seen a multitude of ones. The pass the brush one, people start off with like a makeup brush and plain clothes, and they dab it on the camera, and when they pull away, they're in full dressed clothes and makeup and the whole 9 yards, and then they toss the brush off screen, or they drop it and the next person catches it, and each person makes their own individual video and they get stitched together. I've seen one where it was cosplayers. I think it was one where it was nurses, and they're in their nurse uniforms, and they, cover the camera lens with something, and when they uncover it, they are in full cosplay, and they toss a pin. I've seen one that was an animation. A bunch of animators got together, which was absolutely fantastic, and they each animated a scene, and something about the animation would get thrown at the screen, and when it pulled away, it was the next person's animation. And that one was rather amusing. So I had this idea, why don't we do something like that for 3D metal model builders, for like Metal Earth and MU and our hobby? Why don't we jump on the bandwagon? It'd be kind of fun. Everybody could participate. I'll be happy to put it together. Let's see if we can get this started. Have our own little compilation, kind of pass the model video. And I made a couple of samples myself, sent them off to my friends, had asked if they would participate and send back, just so I could put together something. Still, the idea is a little bit in the building stage, but I think I've got a fair idea of what I want to do. But a couple of my friends sent me some videos. I stitched them together, and here's an example of what I'm talking about. And that's mostly it. That's the basic idea. A couple of things I've learned from putting this together. I would like to do something where the model is passed. I mean, it's not going to be perfect. The idea is just to have some fun, get a bunch of people together who record a model before they built it, and then after they finished it, just a quick transition. I'll be happy to do the editing. So it'd be nice to have some way to like pass the model either off screen or drop it or whatever. You don't have to show your face. You know, I did several, Trish and Disorderly Cone showed their face. CodeWiki not so much. I did one on a table, so it could be on the table. You don't have to show your face. So it'd be nice if you could do something to pass it to the next person. Also, the other thing, and I'm not trying to pick on Trish on this one, it would be better if it was in landscape mode versus portrait. It would just fit better. So if you're recording with your phone, not like this, so it covers the whole screen. I'm going to stitch everything together anyway and try to make it look as best I can, but that will help it make it look better. But if you want to participate, because this is what I'm doing, I'd like to call on other people who make these models to do their own version, and I will compile them all together in a fun little video where we all show off our model. Something simple and quick. Thought it would be fun. If you have a camera phone, if you have a camera, put something together real quick. Before you build the model, film yourself or at a table, open it, look at the instructions and the metal sheets, cover the camera lens up, stop recording, whatever. And then once you're done, cover the camera up again with maybe what's left of the metal sheets or the instructions, something, and when you pull away, you have the completed model. Show that off for a second, and that's it. If you want to record that, or if you would be willing to record that, that would be fantastic. Either upload it on YouTube as like an unshared video and send me a link. If it's 2 pieces of video, I'll happily stitch them together. Send me the link to both of them. Or you can send them to me via Facebook Messenger to the Animate Orange, and I can save them from there. A couple of different options. Or if you have any questions, email me at info@animateorange.com about how you can submit it. Really can't send videos via email. Most email services won't allow you to send that kind of data, but if you could send it through Facebook Messenger or upload it to YouTube and just set it as unshared and send me a link, either one will work fine, and that would be fantastic. I will stitch everything together and make a longer video of everybody's different builds, maybe even 2 if I get enough videos. I think it'd be a lot of fun. What do you think? I mean, leave some comments down below if you think this is a great idea or a terrible one, or any input that you have. I meant to put this out a couple of weeks ago, but life continuously gets in the way with different things that need to be done. If you're willing to participate, please do. Again, just record yourself opening the model, cover the lens, and then another video where when you finish the model, cover the lens, uncover, show your model off, and be done with it. You don't have to show your face. Point the camera down to a table and just do the table if you don't want to show your face. If you do want to show whatever, put something together, preferably in landscape and not portrait mode if possible. Send them to me and I will stitch them together. I think it'd be a lot of fun. I'll leave it at that. As always, any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And as always, thank you for watching.